Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to learn about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate completed activities in the immediate past or recent actions. For example, he has just gone out. In this sentence, the word just shows that the action took place recently. I have just seen the movie. In this sentence also the word just shows that the action took place recently. So in these sentences it is not important that when the action took place, but the action itself plays a very important role in this tense. It is also used to describe past events when we think more of their effect in the present than of the action itself. We think of their consequences. For example, I have finished my work. This action took place in past and the consequence is that I am free now. This is in present tense. You have written a letter. This action took place in the past and it is finished now. The consequence of this is that you can post it now. So this action is in present. So in this tense we think about effect or consequences of the actions that took place in the past. It is also used to talk about experiences. For example, I have taught English to many students. I have known him for a long time. So experiences are also shown in this sentence. उर्दू में पहचान. इस टेंस के उर्दू फ़िक्रात क्या है में चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, चुकी हैं, लिया है, ली है, लिए हैं वगैरह आता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, मैंने खत लिख लिया है, तुम खाना खा चुके हो, हम स्कूल जा चुके हैं, हम खत लिख चुके हैं, हमने खत लिख लिया है, हमने सबक पढ़ लिया है. Now we are going to learn how to make positive sentences of present perfect tense. In this tense, you have to use subject plus has or have after that. In this tense, you have to use third form of verb for completed actions and then you have to use object. Keep this thing in mind that you have to use has with he, she, it or singular nouns or have with I, we, they, you and plural nouns. Remember it again. Has with he, she, it and singular nouns and have with I, we, they, you and plural nouns. For example, मैंने खत लिख लिया है. I have written a letter. We have used have with I. तुम खाना खा चुके हो. You have eaten food. We use have with you. Ali school जा चुका है. Ali singular, so we use has with Ali. Ali has gone to school and we have used third form of verb in all three sentences. Now look at this, how to make negative sentences. In these sentences you have to simply use has not and have not after the subject and then third form of verb and object. For example, वो लाहौर नहीं जा चुका है. He has not gone to Lahore. In these sentences also you have to use has not and have not properly. You have to use has with he, has not with he, she, it and singular nouns and have with I, we, they, you and plural nouns. Second sentence is Ali गाना नहीं गा चुका है. Ali has not sung a song. We have used third form of the verb. वो मेरी बात नहीं सुन चुका है. He has not listened to me. We have used has with he. So you have to use has not and have not in this sentence after the subject. How to make interrogative sentences of present perfect tense. In these sentences, you have to simply put the helping verb has and have at the start of the sentence, and then you have to use the subject plus third form of verb and then object. For example, क्या वो काम खत्म कर चुके हैं? You use have at the start of the sentence. Have they finished the work? They is plural, so we use have with it. क्या तुम मेरी बात सुन चुके हो? Have you listened to me? अहमद और अली ने तुम्हें क्यों मारा है? So again keep this thing in mind that why, when type words if appear in the sentence, you have to use them at the start of the sentence before has or have. So this sentence will be translated as, why have Ahmad and Ali beaten you? Now look at some more examples. मैंने अपना सबक याद कर लिया है. I have learnt my lesson. We have used third form of the verb learnt. I have not learnt my lesson. And in interrogative, have I learnt my lesson? Why have I learnt my lesson? मैंने अपना सबक क्यों याद कर लिया है? तुम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हो. You have played cricket. You have not played cricket. And in interrogative, it will be translated as, have you played cricket? Where have you played cricket? तुम क्रिकेट कहाँ खेल चुके हो? अली ने पानी पी लिया है. Ali has drunk water. We have used third form of drink, which is drunk. Ali has not drunk water. Has Ali drunk water? And why has Ali drunk water? So students, I hope you have understand the tense with the help of these examples. Keep these things in mind that this tense is used to show the completed activities in the immediate past or recent actions, and it is used to describe the events when we think more of their effect or consequences in the present than of the action. And it is used to talk about experiences. In this tense, completed activities or recent actions are shown and their consequence is in present tense. Hope you understand this. Keep watching, keep learning.